Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025. Today, we're diving into one of the most electrifying supercars of the decade, the 2025 McLaren 720S. This machine isn't just about speed, it's about emotion, artistry, and precision engineering, all packed into one breathtaking design. The 720S has always been a symbol of McLaren's devotion to pushing limits, but the 2025 model takes that legacy even further. If you've ever dreamed of driving a car that blurs the line between a racetrack weapon and a street-legal masterpiece, this one's for you. Let's start with what your eyes will fall in love with first, the exterior design. The 2025 McLaren 720S looks like it's sculpted by the wind itself. Every curve, vent, and line serves a purpose, from cooling the mid-mounted engine to optimizing aerodynamics at high speeds. The dihedral doors still rise upward dramatically, the kind of moment that makes bystanders stop and stare. The headlights retain that iconic teardrop shape, integrating seamlessly into the body's flowing form, while the rear features sleek LED taillights, a full-width diffuser, and an active rear wing that adjusts dynamically for downforce. In terms of color, McLaren offers a stunning new palette for 2025, but the Volcano Orange remains the star of the showroom in the USA. It's a bold, fiery hue that captures McLaren's spirit perfectly. The car sits on beautifully crafted lightweight alloy wheels with options for carbon fiber rims that not only look phenomenal, but also shave off precious weight. The overall stance is low, wide, and utterly menacing. This is not a car that whispers for attention, it commands it. Step inside, and the interior feels just as futuristic as the outside. McLaren has always focused on blending minimalism with race-inspired function, and the 2025 720S refines that philosophy to perfection. The cabin wraps around the driver like a cockpit with a combination of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather that screams performance luxury. The dashboard is clean and purposeful, dominated by a configurable digital driver display that folds down when you switch to track mode. In the center, there's a portrait-style touchscreen infotainment system offering navigation, smartphone integration, and vehicle performance settings. The seats are sculpted for support during high-speed cornering, yet surprisingly comfortable for long drives. You can even opt for lightweight racing buckets if you plan to spend time on the circuit. Despite being a supercar, visibility is impressive thanks to the low dashboard and large glass areas, something McLaren's engineers have perfected over time. Cargo space, though modest, is practical enough for a weekend getaway, with a small front trunk and rear storage behind the seats. Now, let's talk about the part that truly defines a McLaren: performance. Underneath that sculpted shell lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, giving you blistering acceleration and instant response. The 2025 720S can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed of 212 miles per hour. The car's proactive chassis Control 2 suspension continuously adjusts damping and roll stiffness for cornering precision that borders on magic. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting straight-line speeds on a runway, the 720S delivers an experience that feels alive. Even the braking system is a work of art, carbon ceramic brakes that stop you with confidence and finesse. Fuel economy isn't the main focus here, but the McLaren does manage a decent 15 mpg city and 22 mpg highway thanks to its efficient, lightweight design. Of course, this is a car that prioritizes performance. Every ounce, every component is engineered for speed, agility, and emotion. And the technology and safety features have also seen some fine-tuning for 2025. The new infotainment software is faster, smoother, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a suite of driver assistance systems, including a rear-view camera, parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control, though McLaren wisely keeps the focus on driving engagement. And the 720S introduces updated connectivity through the McLaren Track Telemetry app, allowing you to analyze lap times and performance metrics right from your phone. And while it's not a car you buy for its safety rating, it does come with a rigid carbon fiber monocage 2 structure, offering outstanding protection and rigidity. McLaren's craftsmanship ensures both safety and performance coexist seamlessly. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity is key. The 2025 McLaren 720S starts around $315,000, but as with all McLarens, customization is part of the experience. Through McLaren Special Operations, MSO, buyers can tailor everything from unique paint finishes to bespoke interior materials. The available trims include the Performance, Luxury, and MSO editions, each adding its own flair of personality and exclusivity. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 McLaren 720S is not just another supercar. It's a moving sculpture, a high-speed piece of art that engages every sense. It's the perfect blend of design, power, and technology, delivering a driving experience few cars on Earth can match. McLaren has managed to evolve a legend without losing its soul. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering the brand, this car reminds you why we fall in love with driving in the first place. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment about your favorite feature of the new 720S, and subscribe to CarReview Hub 2025 for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting cars. Hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and remember, at CarReview Hub 2025, it's not just about cars, it's about passion, innovation, and performance on 4 wheels. That's all for today. See you in the next review, where we bring you closer to the future of automotive excellence.